Do Filipinas really think mixed babies are more beautiful? When you imagine your future child, does a foreigner look ever cross your mind?
Sometimes I dream like to have foreign partner.
If you could choose, what nationality or background would you want your child to be mixed with? What are your names and how old are you?
My name is Aliana. I'm 22 years old.
I am Shin and I am 22 years old.
So both 22 years old. Okay, first question, I want you two to be very honest. Do Filipinas really think mixed babies are more beautiful?
For me, yes, but I prefer also the Filipino beauty.
Filipino beauty po are really good po. And we have a special features po. But if we mix up with other like foreigner po or other nationalities, mas the beauty of the Filipino is like more nai-enhance.
Okay.
Much nai-enhance.
Okay. It became more enhanced their beauty. So by that, you mean it's yes. Filipinas think that mixed babies are more beautiful.
Yes po, for me yan.
How about you, Be? Is it yes or no? Because you said that Filipino beauty is also beautiful.
Yes, I agree, but I also prefer po talaga ng Filipino beauty.
You agree that mixed babies are more beautiful, but for you, beautiful babies are also beautiful. Okay. When you imagine your future child, again, when you imagine your future child, does a foreigner look ever cross your mind?
For me po, I still don't think about that po. But I'm also open po if ever po kasi yung love po yung love po, like we can tell if we can fall in love with other nationality or with our co-Filipino po. So we can really tell.
You haven't thought of or you haven't imagined your future kids,
Po. I haven't imagined that po.
but you're open.
Yeah, I'm open po.
For me po, I imagine it before. And also, sometimes I dream like to have foreign partner.
You dream. Why? Why are you dreaming of having a foreign partner?
About the jeans?
Oh, the genes. You want pretty babies, like beautiful mixed children.
Yes.
Do you think mixed babies automatically have better opportunities in life?
Honestly speaking po, if a Filipino or mixed Filipino babies po, in my observation po, for me yes po, kasi because like because their future is more enhanced, so yung Filipino plus the other nationalities po, they are more the one na mas has good opportunity when it comes to pageants po, 'di ba? Like Catriona Gray and other they are the one who is po actually yung sa Miss Universe po baga and always po sa mga Miss Universe or other pageants po, it's always it's about majority of the candidates are mix po.
Okay. So mixed babies, they have more opportunity in life, just like those candidates. What do you call this? For Miss Universe, most of the time they're mixed.
But I believe that also babies or children or other people who has a pure-blooded Filipino po has also good opportunity because Filipino alone po, we're all talented po and we're already good po in many ways po.
In your opinion, should Miss Universe Filipinas be pure or is being mixed better?
I think mostly po kasi ng mga mostly of the candidates po of Philippines, they are mixed Filipinos and foreign po. So mostly po if the candidate for Miss Philippines or Miss Universe mix genes like Filipino and foreign, they are mostly seen by Filipinos and other countries po because they are beautiful in a physical appearance.
They're more beautiful.
Yes.
So you're with mixed. Mixed candidate. Okay, not pure Filipina, but mixed.
For me po, I prepare pure candidate po in this case po. Because po, in Miss Universe, we need to showcase the real Philippines is. And if ever po, some candidate po who wins, like they're hap-hap, like some other country may say, they win because they have our genes, they may say that. So also Filipino genes alone po is already beautiful po. So I think po in pageants po like Miss Universe, it is important or it's good to show po the pure Filipina beauty po and to showcase po what our Filipino beauties are really like po.
I get what you're trying to say, but why do you think mostly, why do you think, honestly, okay, I want you to be very honest, why do you think mostly the candidates that we are sending or the candidates who are joining pageants, especially Miss Universe, they're mixed? Why do you think so?
First of all, in the pageant industry, their standards for the beauty queens, they have to be tall. And we all know that the Filipino hormones po, we are really not that gifted when it comes to height. So, usually, the one who got more opportunities in this is yung mga mixed babies because they have that genes na mas taller. And also, when it comes to appearance also, some Filipino beauties are like not be seen and they also they easily get noticed the physical appearance po than the real beauty itself po of a person. That's why.
So you're saying that, so are you saying that if a pure Filipino join the Miss Universe or the any pageants, there's no way she could win because she's not tall, she's not that pretty.
No, if all Filipinos are pretty, but I think there's Filipino naman na taller po. So I think and that is more better po that pure Filipino po pure Filipino join a pageant po.
Okay. But there's more better chance if she is mixed, she could win the pageant.
Yes, pero when it comes to winning po, it's not about the looks naman po. It's also about intelligence and how you carry yourself.
Okay. I love that. It's not about the looks. Okay. Last question. If you could choose, what nationality or background would you want your child to be mixed with?
For me, I think Korean or Korean or Australian.
Korean or Australian? May I ask you why Korean?
For me, I love Korean especially.
Because of the drama?
Not also, but because of their physical appearance, their beauty.
Like
In
their height? What?
their physical appearance, like their face, their tallness, or their color, ganon.
And why Australian?
Australian because of for me it's like a parang it's like parang mafia, parang ganon.
Oh, they look like mafia. Oh, she got a big imagination, right? Okay, mafia, like a tough person.
Yes, I think I mostly seen them as a hunk.
Okay,
Yan po.
so how about you, Bem?
For me po, I think if ever, Russian po. Russian has good genes and Korean people also know that because Russian genes po, you may see them as like a Barbie doll po baga because they're tall, they have blonde hair, blue eyes, and fair skin. Yes.
So you want a Barbie kid, Barbie children, Barbie look like blue eyes. She said she wants blue eyes. Are you both singles or are you in a relationship?
I'm single.
How long have you been single?
Magwa 1 year po in June.
Both in college.
Yes po.
What are you studying?
Ano po, education. Elementary education. To be
We're classmate po.
What are your names and ages?
I'm Sai and I'm currently 19 years old. I'm Danzo and currently 20 years old.
Okay, so the very first question is, be honest. Do Filipinas really think mixed babies are more beautiful?
For me po, this generation, I feel like mixed babies are not really much beautiful than Filipinas because I started to realize that Filipinas are also beautiful on its own rather than mixed babies po. Like we were raised to like be fond of Western features or that make us insecure to ourselves. So I believe that Filipinos and Filipinas are beautiful. So,
For my opinion po, I think all people are beautiful no matter what their no matter if they have mix or not, because for me every human being has their own uniqueness and beauty that makes them stand out po.
When you imagine your future child, does a foreigner look ever cross your mind?
yes po, since my boyfriend is half Japanese. yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So yeah, I feel like it would be possible. So yeah.
For me po, yes, I think yeah, if given a chance to have that kind of foreign or mix yeah, why not?
Do you think mixed babies automatically have better opportunities in life?
Oh. I don't think so. Kasi these days pa, I believe that Filipinas or like Morenas specifically are more what do you call this? Are more introduced na in this generation. So I believe that Filipinos are not only limited to opportunities but also foreign to other countries. So yeah.
Just like what she said po, there are a lot of Filipinos that has we all have a equal opportunities that given to us. So we must cherish those opportunities and be humble na lang. Humble.
In your opinion, should Miss Universe Filipinas be pure or is being mixed better?
I believe po, since you're representing Philippines, it's better to be like full Filipino blood. Though it is not limited to being mixed because we cannot deny naman talaga that most of the mixed people are beautiful on its own as well. But Filipinas, we should be more into our own kind because Filipinos are smart as well and pretty. Yeah.
For me po, I am proud as a Filipino since it is very I am open. Mental block ako. I am proud as a Filipino, so I will raise this awareness to all that Filipino is a wonderful yan.
It's wonderful. Okay, they're wonderful. Filipinos are wonderful. Okay, but what's happening right now? It is like more like mix Filipinas, right?
Yes po, yung sa Miss Universe. Yeah, mixed Filipinas are mostly given the opportunities to represent the Philippines po most.
Why is that?
I believe that maybe there are do you call that? There are wait lang ate.
Mental block kami ate.
Okay.
I feel like there are patriarchy. Do you call that? Maybe it's stereotype to all those mixed people against Filipinas because I feel like they are more I feel like they chose it because they are more probably exposed to foreign countries or even to the language. That's why they chose this.
The language.
Yes.
Okay. Do you mean the English language?
Yes, the English language.
If you could choose, what nationality or background would you want your child to be mixed with? Let's start with you.
I think po I would prefer to have my baby as British or since I think they have a pretty eyes and nose, which I prefer to my kids.
I would actually choose Asian because they have nice skin. Yeah, tapos they also they look youthful even though they are already old, plus their eyes kind of cute. So
I definitely agree with you about the youthful. Asian have that kind of thing. They look younger. Actually, when I approached them, I thought she's like 18. That's why I asked, "Are you minor or what?" And then she said she's 19, 19 years old, turning 20 this year.
it's 20 this May.
Okay. And also, you mentioned that you're in a relationship with a Japanese guy.
Yeah, my boyfriend.
How long is the relationship now?
3 years. Yeah.
Wow! Is he from here?
Yeah. Actually, my classmate.
Raised and born here in the Philippines, Japanese.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Since you're in college, what are you studying?
I'm studying entrepreneurship.
I'm studying tourism management.
She's in a relationship. How long have you been single?
3 years? I guess, yeah, 3 years.
So you were 17, your last relationship, or 16?
Yeah, I think, yeah, 17.
17. Okay. Well, thank you so much, ladies. We really appreciate your honesty and your time. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we earn your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflection